Hello to all my facial hair friends out there. My name is DanCBearded and I am your trusted teacher. And today I want to do two things. The first thing, as you can tell, this is not my normal professionally looking groomed beard. This is a lazy day beard, or as close to natural as I get. And I want to answer the question, is a lazy day beard once in a while good for your beard health? I'll address that in a little bit. And the second thing is, I wanted to in the description give you guys all of my current discount codes and or affiliates, just so you guys have a spot on YouTube that you can come back to when you know you need a discount code, and you can check all the companies that I have. I have a post on Instagram, but I know not all of you guys have Instagram, so I wanted to make sure this could be your one-stop shop to get all those discounts, and I'll just go through and edit and update as new ones come in. So stay tuned if you want to hear more about this natural lazy day beard and its benefits, or is it something you should avoid? Lazy day beard. To me, what is the definition of a lazy day beard? For me, it is minimalist. It is no grooming. I still want to keep it healthy, but I want to let it breathe and do its own thing. So the process for me, if I'm ever going to have a Sunday beard or a lazy day beard, is I am first going to in the morning wash, co-wash, towel dry and comb through, add a small amount of oil, and that's it. I'm going to let it do its thing for the rest of the day. I'm not going to brush it. I'm not going to do a lot of craziness to it. I may comb it throughout the day to get rid of tangles and keep the blood flow going. But to me, that is a lazy day beard. I do not go a single day without applying beard oil. For me, I hate the feeling of my beard without any products. It feels dry, it feels brittle. I gotta have that oil for my skin and then all the way down to the tips of the hair to keep it nice and healthy feeling for myself personally. I know some of you guys go full-blown lazy day and you don't include any products. Rock on, man. If that works for you, awesome. So that is first the definition to me and what I do to prepare my beard for a lazy day. Now, is that a good thing? Check this out. Is a lazy day beard good for the health of your beard? Absolutely. I think everyone needs to throw this in their routine if it's not your normal everyday routine. Especially for someone like me, who I treat my beard almost every single day with a small amount of heat and with a lot of grooming to keep it nice and tight and professional as a teacher and a coach and just an overall role model in this area. Now, what I think some of the biggest benefits are is as you groom your beard every single day, your hair starts to get into a routine and expect that and develops bad habits. Some of those bad habits your hair develops are the waves. A lot of people think that those waves are natural, and most of the time they're not. A lot of those times those waves are developed from combing and brushing along the jawline every single day in the same exact way, and your beard falls into that pattern. Especially if you have the medium range curly beard hair like I do. I call it like the little S curls. My beard's not straight, but it's not the little pigtails. It's somewhere in between. Those little in-between hairs can find ways to become the same and be shaped based on your routine. And if you do a lazy day beard day, it kind of shocks the system a little bit, and it really helps with my waves along the jawline. I also think it's good for your beard to breathe. You notice here, some of you are probably going to prefer this look on me. Not myself, it drives me crazy actually. I like my nice and tight groomed look. But when it's like this, it is out more. It is breathable. It can move easier. I'm not using any balm. There's nothing weighing it down or restricting it. And I think that's good for the health of your beard. Go outside, let the breeze get in there, let it breathe and open up every once in a while. So is a lazy day beard good for the health of your beard? 100%. Give it a break from all the products. Give it a break from the grooming techniques. Give it a break from the heat if you use heat. I genuinely think your beard needs those relaxing, recovering days just as we do. So let it breathe a little bit. And I have some tips that can help you on those lazy day beards to be able to get the full benefits of it right in 2 seconds. Some tips on your lazy beard day. Try to go about grooming and combing your beard in different ways where you're getting to different parts of the hair, especially when you have a thick, dense beard like mine. There's lost areas in there that you don't normally get to. And this is a day to be able to let everything breathe and let it go and find those areas that need a little bit more attention, a little bit more combing and grooming, whatever you think will be the best. Now I got two different tools that I use. One is, this is actually from the Luxurious Bastard, and this is a handled wide tooth comb. Now I don't use this a ton, I use it more like a detangler out of the shower, but I love it on lazy beard days. This just goes through the beard nicely. On my normal days, I like something with a little bit closer teeth to be able to style. I'm not worried about styling today. So what I like to do is especially comb this up underneath the beard and just really get the teeth into the skin. As I go through, it nice and picks out any curls that are in there and just really feels good on the beard. And again, I'm not worried about any styling, so it's just very nice. I'll go back down as well just to keep it nice and healthy. And what this is going to do is it's not going to snag any hairs whatsoever. I don't really lose any hairs when I comb with this because again, it doesn't have the tightest teeth, so it's not really grooming it. But it is going to get that blood flow going. It is going to get out any curls or any snags in there. And it's just going to be really good for the health of your skin. So use this throughout the day, especially to go underneath your beard. This is one area where I think a lot of you guys need to focus a little bit more, is get that health on the underbeard or your neckline. And that really gives my beard that density and that thickness when I give the attention underneath. So a wide tooth comb on a lazy beard day, huge tip. Now my biggest tip, I love this comb. This is an oxhorn comb from Beard Octane. It is glossy, smooth, it is absolutely strong and amazing. Everybody combs up and down. On my lazy beard days, I really like to get into that middle area of my beard. And the way I do it to kind of keep the hairs guessing and moving in different directions is I'll grab a spot, I'll pull my hair over, and then I'll comb back in the opposite direction. And then what that allows me to do is if I have the mirror, I can kind of look at the skin, look at all the gray hairs in there, and I really like to go in different directions. What this does is keep the hair guessing, and I like to move it all around. All I have is a little bit of oil today, so there's nothing that's going to tangle, nothing that's going to restrict this movement here. The oxhorn comb is perfect for that idea. But again, grab one side, comb to the other way till you get a nice little part in there, move over a little bit, and continue. It really does some good things for the health of your hair, and overall keeping those hairs guessing so they're not doing the same exact thing every day. It's good to switch it up. It's good to keep the hair on its toes, keep it guessing for what you're going to do that day. And this is my crazy lazy beard day. Question for you guys. Do you throw something in your routine to mix it up? Do you do a day with no products? Do you do something similar to mine once in a while? Or what do you do on a lazy beard day? Let me know down below. I'm genuinely interested. I talked about the benefits. I talked about what I do for my lazy beard day. And then I hope you guys try some of those tips and let me know what you think about the side brushing, about using a wide tooth comb, and overall just keeping your beard healthy, keeping it guessing, and feeling amazing on these days. These days are awesome when it's kind of uncaged and just naturally free there. So I hope you guys found something useful or entertaining in this lazy beard day. Thanks for watching, guys. I look forward to reading your comments. Have an awesome, beautiful bearded day.